Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. If you are new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to export the tag emails by date range in a specific folder and with multiple categories and the attachments of each email in that particular folder. So what we will get is we will get the sender, subject, email date and time, email tagged, so whom the email has been tagged to, and the attachments over here. So over here you will get the attachment links wherever the attachment is saved. Now let's jump into our VBA code editor in Excel and let's see how we can achieve this by using the VBA code. So as you see on the screen, this is our VBA editor and this is the entire code to achieve the tagged email export by different categories of a particular range of different dates in a folder and also saving the attachment in a particular folder. So what we are going to do is we have defined the variables which are need to be defined for this particular task, and then we have given an array of multiple categories which has to be extracted, and then we have given the start and end date, from which date to which date the categories to be extracted. Then we are setting the active sheet as the current sheet in the workbook. Then the information should be extracted and pasted from the row 2. Then we are connecting Outlook from Excel in this part. Over here you will get an option to select a folder using this line. So once you select the folder, what will happen is it will apply the filters of the date which we have given over here, and then it will come to the active sheet and create these columns first. Then it will start looping through the entire email box of the folder, and it will give us the information of the sender, subject, email date, email tagged and attachments. Over here it will stop checking if the match is found. Then it will give us a message box if it is completed. So this was the entire VBA code to extract the tagged emails by date range in a particular folder for multiple categories with the attachments. So if you see the folder path over here, you have to give your folder path to save the attachments for all the emails. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Have a great day. Bye.